Today is Thursday, June 29th. This is the 1969 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham power steering gear box unit going to my friend Tom in Alabama. The unit has been completely disassembled. This is the original Saginaw Steering Gear gearbox for 1969 for the Fleetwood Brougham. And all of the seals have been replaced and 2 of the gear ratios have been modified. So the unit is going to be going out as soon as I get Tom's okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1969 to 1970 for the Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as the brake boosters and these power steering gearboxes. Today is Thursday, June 29th. Thank you very kindly.